Want to create powerful spec ads using AI automation? With Google Veo 3, it's easier and faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Veo 3 to create stunning brand-ready ads with character consistency, emotional appeal, and maximum impact. Let's get started. Google Veo 3 is a new AI-powered video generation tool designed to create ultra-realistic videos from just a text prompt. It's perfect for marketers, freelancers, and creators who want to speed up production using AI automation. Whether you're building spec ads, explainer videos, or reels, Veo 3 makes it simple. Explore Veo 3 features. First, explore the Veo 3 templates, styles, and AI features. Learn how to 1. Customize tone, environment, and characters. 2. Create consistent outputs using prompt refinement. 3. Integrate AI tools like ChatGPT or Pictory for script support. Pro tip: understanding these video marketing AI tools will streamline your workflow. Build your spec ad concept. To create an impactful spec ad, focus on 1. A strong message and story. 2. Your product's unique selling proposition. 3. Consistent character visuals. Pro tip: keep it short. 30-60 seconds works best for AI-generated content and social media. Character consistency tips. 1. Reuse specific character prompts. 2. Stick with one visual tone. 3. Anchor your visuals in brand colors or motion themes. Benefits: this boosts clarity and builds audience trust. Test, tweak, and finalize. Before you export your final ad, test variations using AI automation tools like ChatGPT or Canva to refine messaging. Ask for feedback. A second pair of eyes will help identify inconsistencies or distractions. Share and promote your videos. Now showcase your Veo 3 video on 1. LinkedIn or Behance. 2. YouTube Shorts. 3. Freelance pitch decks. Add captions like "built with Google Veo 3 AI automation" and use hashtags like #specads, #iautomation, #Google Veo 3 to increase reach. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sharing more AI tools, Veo 3 tips, and automation hacks to help you grow faster with smarter content creation. See you in the next one.